Kwa nyithindo malondo piny e boma ma ni kwa nyithindo mabaye boma kod oganda mokoso kar jot oyangi ni medore pacho ka. Ewi mano riwruok mar Undugu Society of Kenya nyoketo romb lalruok ewi chal makama kendo moko kuomgi okwayo sirikal mondo ketie paro jopiny mathoth mokoso kuonde jot. Jokanyo mopogore opogore manochopo e lalruok makamano olero ni pod oganda mathoth okoso kuonde dak kendo kaka sirikal okelo chenro mar gero udi manengogi oyweyo onego kuongo ket jogo maonge kuonde jot ema obedi e laini manyime.
Rugimwate mawacho ni nyaka sirikal ketie okang' mambele jogo mago ma onge kuonde dak makaregi. Wadwa sukuma review mar policy mar law, bedo gi law, to gi sheria, security, land laws and the land policy o align gi constitution to o address how the poor kaka jok ma yuto gi piny kama gidake will not be grabbed by the so-called grabbers.
We believe that resilience is built where people are, but then you must address those questions from the personal perspective, but also from the policy level and the systems that are available to deal with this question. The end goal is to have a country that does not have homeless people. We need to have a country that does not encourage street connectedness. So do we have laws and policies and infrastructure that can help us do that? But number two, do we carry the attitudes that then help us deal with that problem? Because if people are discriminated either by the public or by the state, then it means we carry the wrong attitude.
We work in these spaces and we have anecdotal data that speak to the work that we do. For instance, how many, we sit in consortium in Kisumu County, for instance, that does quarterly census. And we are able to provide that data in regards to how many street-connected individuals or families do we have. So it's just harnessing